I'm not even ready yet. You're ready to go, I'm not even plugged in. So folks, we've got, I don't know why I've called people folks, but we've got Peaky here.
Hello.
And do you know my last video?
Slagging me off.
I said your name was Peaky Leaky because you, well, Peaky don't like leaky is what I said. And I'm gonna ask people if they wanted to, you know, if anyone wanted any mates, because I need a new wingman. Sorry, mate, I'm still not ready. You know.
It's alright.
It's not though, is it?
Fine to that one, isn't it?
You're all plugged in, ready to go. I'm just like, I'm not. Oh, you know what I've done as well? Oh, I'm not pissing about with them. I can't even ask you nicely to not to swear because it's. I'm just asking you to be you for you not to be you.
I'll try not to. I'm going to say I'll try not to. I'll keep it limited.
Yeah.
Oh, this is
Oh my god. It's like you've been on the bike 10 seconds and you're effing already. Just some people just can't. I can't edit that out. It's just too much.
Oh, sorry. Okay. I'll send it down. I'm sorry. Can't help it. It was the environment I grew up in.
No, I get it. I'm just trying to find this calf, mate, sorry.
So, just had breakfast, David.
We've just had breakfast, mate. Thank you very much for that. You made me laugh. You made me laugh yesterday, actually, because you said you needed to redeem yourself. I don't know where you're going, but I'm going up here, mate.
I don't know where I'm sat here.
I did have proper mump on yesterday, monk on or whatever you want to call it. I was like a kid, you know. So we have just had a lovely breakfast, thanks Bri.
Sorry, dude.
Appreciate that, mate. And you've proper well redeemed yourself.
Yeah, that was a sorry breakfast.
That was, yeah, I'm sorry. Was that why you was like looking at me? Yeah, is that why, you know, when you was eating your sausage, mate, you were looking at me with them puppy dog eyes?
Yeah.
But I'm
to show you.
Yeah, but
I should show you how sorry I was.
But I'm sure you're supposed to chew your sausage, mate, not suck on the end like you was. I think for a full breakfast like that, I think Monash is probably the best, you know. I think it's better than the Cowshed's breakfast.
Oh, I don't know about that.
It's.
I'd say the Cowshed you get more.
Do you think?
You get a bigger breakfast at the Cowshed than you do there.
Yeah. Left here, mate, in a minute.
Alright.
This is a nice road, this one. I don't know if you've been down on this road, have you?
I'm sure that rings a bell.
That's up near Yonderman, that. Well, this road, when there's no traffic on, it's really nice because it's got loads of S-bends in it. But when there's traffic on, it's not the greatest. You've never been to this Grindleford Calf, have you?
No.
No. Yeah, I've not been to this Grindleford for ages, but it's one of them again where it's quite small and it's probably not very warm. So this is a nice road as well, mate, if you don't get stuck behind cars.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, the weather's, it's not turned out too bad today, to be fair.
No. 8 degrees, it's gone up.
Yeah.
4 degrees since when I left.
I know it's roasting, mate. I'm gonna have to get sun cream out. It's hot for us, that.
It's going to summit.
Yeah. Clear, mate, down here still. Still clear. Oh, there's a car just coming now, pal. You alright though? I'm going to go after this other one as well. Oh no, I'm not. They're just not even looking, are they? Left here, mate. Oh, hang on, a bit further up actually. See where that post box is? We're doing a left here. Just be careful down here, mate. It's proper leafy and shitter.
Ah, is this the one that Rich used to come to more often?
Yeah, he used to come all the time, yeah, on a Sunday for breakfast, yeah. Well, look at that. Have you paid? Failure to pay will result in a penalty of 50 quid. What's that about? Do you want to pull it up next to that sight cab in there? Just straight. That might be better than here. Just a bit more out of the way there, aren't we? You just go. Can you squeeze a bit more, mate? That's nice one. Cheers, Paul. That'll do us. That's well out of the way now.
Later.
So, what was your latte like there, mate? Was it okay?
Right, that was alright. Yeah.
Was it?
Right, that was.
I haven't been down here for a while. Grindleford Station, Caff. It's all of a sudden got busy again. You okay, mate? Yeah?
Yeah.
I need to sort the road out.
I was going to say, it's a bit that sounds like that, no?
Yeah. It's quite bad that actually. Look at this here as well, bloody hell. Mind you, it looks like they're doing some works. It says work starts here, didn't it? Unless they're on about that down there. Right, left here, mate. So them pictures I got from the Northern Lights the other night, apparently they'd have been better at 12 o'clock, just down from us, but I reckon if you'd have been up here for them, I bet there were loads of people up here for them Northern Lights.
Yeah.
Because it's just like you can just see for miles. Look at that down there, mate, it's stunning. I'll come round, make it easier. Cheers. Didn't even see that car then.
Okay. I thought you actually pulled up.
Yeah, I did. I thought they were pulled up. Right, so this is the Strines, mate. This is Mortimer Road.
Just said there, this is Strines.
Yeah.
Mortimer Road. So, bit of a fucking play up there for half an hour and an hour.
we're literally down here to this pub, but I just want to show you this view on the top here. We're just touching on it here. But as you can see, it's all been resurfaced, and it's a fantastic road, this. Really good road. I mean, you look at it here, look.
It's a bit monument or something over there.
Yeah, I don't know if it's anything to do with the waterboard, that. But I literally live on the other end of this road. I live 5 minutes away.
Alright.
So when we get to the end of this road, mate, I'll see you soon. Yeah, like I'll do that to you. If you'd have had more time, we could have gone all the way to the end, and then we could have gone over Woodhead Pass, and then come back and done a big loop. Do you know what I mean? Down to Snakes Pass, but it'd take a while. That it's about probably an hour. We're not going to do that, but this is a good part of the loop. I say it is a bit dicey when you get to the other end, but you sort of get a feel of what it's about, don't you? Look how stunning it is, mate.
No service, no line service.
Yeah. It's a bit infamous, this road, because there has been a few bike fatalities on this road. But yeah, once you go past this pub, the pub's literally here, mate. It's just round this corner. But once you go past that, you started to hit loads of trees and stuff as well, and forests, and it's really nice. It's good to come here because they ain't got any phone signal at this pub, so if you want to go offline, right, just wait to see what he does, because right, we'll take a right here, turn right, put it in one of these bays so we can get out. Right, let's get a nice latte. This is a nice place to have a shandy on a hot day, this. Right, Paul,
Sorted, dude.
take it easy, mate.
Drop me a text when you're back home, alright?
I will do, mate. I will do.
I'll drop you a text about 7 o'clock tonight when I'm back.
I'm going to say, if you're trying to make me feel guilty, mate, it's not working. You was
back from yesterday.
yeah. Hey, you've got. I'll sound like a missus now, mate. You've got 3 months to make that up. You don't get away with it that easy, you know, just because you've come up today and bought me breakfast. See you later, brother.
Sorry, dude.
Take it easy, mate. See you, Paul.
See you later, dude. Thank you.
And thank you. Beautiful day. So yeah, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little vlog. Haven't really done anything, just been for a bit of breakfast, we've had a bit of a chat and seen some beautiful scenery, and that's what the channel's about. So if you have enjoyed it, please go and check out my other videos. I'm very close to 3,000 subscribers now, so please click that button if you haven't already. And I shall see you on the next one, whenever that's going to be. So remember, guys, it doesn't matter who you are, what you ride or where you're from, because every day is an adventure. Crazy out. Oof.